everyone. Tonight I'll be fixing Betty White's chicken wings. What all goes into Betty White's chicken wings? 3 pounds chicken wings separated into drummies and flats. These are 4 pounds, so I'll be using 3/4 of that. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup water or chicken broth. I'll be using chicken broth. 1/2 teaspoon dried mustard, 3/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons honey, and this is optional, and 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and this is optional. So let's begin. Okay, so I have the 3 pounds of chicken wings separated into flats and drummies. It is on a baking sheet on top of foil. I'm going to set this aside for a little bit and we'll continue on. Take a medium saucepan, put in your 1/2 cup butter, your 1 cup of soy sauce, your 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and the 2 teaspoons of honey. And the red pepper flakes and the honey again are optional. And stir until it is all consistent, that the butter is all melted and everything is mixed. So the marinade is heated up, the butter is all melted, it is pretty consistent. We'll shut off the heat and let it cool. Alright, so the marinade has cooled. We'll just pour it over the chicken. And I'm sure if I would have cooked it a little bit longer, it would have thickened up a little bit more. But I'm under a time crunch here. I didn't realize it took this long to make these. Then we'll take some aluminum foil and put over the chicken. And then we'll stick this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 2 to 24 hours. The longer, of course, that you let it stay in there, the more intense the flavor is going to be. Like I said, I'm under a time crunch, so I'm only going to be marinating it for 2 hours. Preheat the oven to 375. Alright, so I took them out of the refrigerator. They've been in there for 2 hours marinating. I took them off of the 1 sheet pan, put them on a larger sheet pan so there is more room for them to cook evenly, and the fact that that was a lot of marinade, that I didn't want them swimming in it. I wanted them to get more crispy. I didn't want the excess marinade bubble over into my oven. Don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'll put them in a preheated 375 degree oven, not covered, and bake it for 1 1/4 hours to 1 1/2 hours, flipping them over halfway through. So we'll see you then. So here are Betty White's chicken wings, and rounding out the meal is bourbon and brown sugar baked beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I assume I'm tasting the chicken.
Yes, Betty White's chicken wings.
They look good. Where I come from, this is finger food. Oh, these are good. Mm-hmm. I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.